Welcome to the world of Radiospark, the voice of Jaipuria.
Good morning to everyone out there. This is RJ Malishka, straight from the studio Radiospark, the voice of Jaipuria. Today's relay is with a special purpose and a heavy heart. And yes, by now, most of you must have guessed it. I'm talking about the passing away of our beloved Bharat Ratna recipient, the nightingale of our country, and who will be fondly remembered as a stalwart of Indian culture, late Lata Mangeshkar ji. जो आज हमारे बीच physically तो नहीं है, but she will always be an integral part of our lives through her soulful and eternal songs, which are equally remembered and cherished by all generations across. Today, we come together to pay a heartfelt tribute to this great singer of all times, whose demise has created a void which is difficult to put in words. So, as we pay our deepest obeisance to this legendary singer, let's all listen to a medley of some of our all-time favorite songs prepared by our choristers. Well, that was such a beautiful rendition which encompassed varied emotions and reminded us of a voice, a persona which will live forever and forever in our hearts. And with this, I shall take your leave with a promise to be back soon. So this is RJ Malishka signing off for now.